And there we have it. I don't think my computer is gonna be any more silenter, so let's begin. This will be a kind of continuation of Soul Stories Storyteller arc, where we had the opportunity to talk about our passion for sneakers. So I'm gonna unbox a new pair, gonna talk about my first impressions, and then I'm gonna compare it to some other pairs. So stay tuned. This one is from Pardon My Kicks from Aris. I'm turning 28 in a couple of days now, so I thought to myself, oh, of course I should get myself a birthday present, but I couldn't find what I was looking for, and then he said, hey Victor, I got this pair in your size. And I couldn't hold myself, of course I wanted the pair. So I bought them from him, and I have never seen, they were dead stock as well, so I'm super happy. It's gonna be real fun to see how this pair is, to be honest, because when they were releasing, I was super excited, was real hyped about the pair as well, but I didn't win, unfortunately. But at least I have them in my hands right now instead. And I don't know if I said his site. It's pardonmykicks.se. And he also left a little note inside. I'm gonna read it high for you. Thank you so much for your purchase. By supporting small businesses, you are supporting a dream. We really hope that you will enjoy your new sneakers and wear them and take care of them with love. We will be happy if you're willing to share your purchases on Instagram. Don't forget to tag us and repost on our page. Of course. And he also sent a little sticker, Pardon My Kicks. So, really nice. And here we have the shoe. They look so fancy. They sent it with dust bags, Nike Air. If you're into the game, you will know which pair this one is, I think. So let's begin an opening this one. It's so nice suede, the bag. I just wanna stroke it. Also, I have never done unboxing, so if anyone knows better how to do it, I would really appreciate the help. But I think I can't do too many unboxings just because I'm too... I don't know. I don't know that much about shoes, so I can't really talk about a lot about them, but hopefully you will find it fun and maybe entertaining, and you will learn something from it. And here we have it, the Varsity 85. A different color blocking from a regular bread, but damn. They smell so nice. I really like that they have the old brand, I think. I wonder which number I have on this one. I check in the insides. There is something else in it. Size 8. But I know that they made 23,000 pairs of this shoe, but I can't see which number this one have. It just says here inside Air Jordan, also the code number, the pat number, and something that I have made last, and date November 14th 84. Remark Air Jordan. No, not Air Jordan, but Jordan Pro BB. So such amazing shoe. Also, the leather is nice. Yeah, the leather smells so nice on this pair. Real classic shoe, and I'm gonna look forward to lace them up and undead stock them as soon as possible because I really like the colorway. But as I told before, we're gonna talk about the other pairs as well, so let's do that and compare them to some other pairs. Also, if anyone knows where to find the number of which pair I have from the 20,000 would be amazing. Oh, I have struggled here, but it's gonna be fun. Får se, höger, höger. Åh, hej! Yeah, so let's begin. We have 3 different kinds of breads here. Let's begin with the regular pair. Regular pair bread from which year? 2016. Different color blocking, but these pair are a little bit beat, but I really like that they gain so much more authority when they are used, and you see the crackings in the leather. Every shoe tells their story in my sight, so I wonder how other fellows that have owned this pair will have walked in it. More or less. Maybe I should have weird gloves instead. So yeah, different color blocking. But I really like the leather quality. Also some factory mess-ups, but it's alright. And a regular Ico bread for the little warmer times. Ah, I forgot about that pair. I'm gonna show another pair as well. The lows from 2014, apparently. I think they released 2015 or something like that, but yeah, it's the old low, which is a little bit more rare because they have remodeled it a little bit, but I like this one more than the newer ones, to be honest. And they fit a little bit different, but it looks slimmer and not as thick as the new ones. And I also have the fly knits, which I really like on the warm days because they are so breezy. So basically it's the leather ones as well with the fly knits and the lows that I use the most. And from now on I'm gonna start using the Varsity 85. Oh yeah, the cut! We have to see the cut if it's real different from it. Can you see it? Yeah. The cut is a little different. I don't know if it's because the other pair is dead stock, but yeah. Damn! I'm so happy. Thank you once again for helping me out finding this sneaker. I would have never thought that I would be able to buy this one. Thank you, pardon my kicks.